All right, little update the day after starting up this gentleman Janitor GJ-5 out here in the garage. The chimney situation, you know, after it heated up, it got a little better. It's when the chimney's really hot, it's just going very slightly negative, which is good enough for now. And the other thing is, I assumed that the chimney was, the tile that's stacked up out there is at full height right now, and it's not. There's 3 other round clay liners sitting out there, and I guess we're going to use at least 2 of them, maybe 3, we'll see. So that's going to put it up another at least 5 feet in the air. And what we did today was we banged in the garage zone. Those are insulated 1/2-inch PEX pipes that go over to this monster radiator over here, and will eventually be controlled by this zone valve. So that's it for garage renovation land of 2025. Happy New Year, everybody. Tomorrow we'll start over in 2026 and get the rest of this stuff done. All right. Happy holidays, everybody.